Hello everyone, welcome to Research Center and myself is Abbas. The entire project is based on Python Django framework and we also use Django Rest Framework to develop on APIs. So let's begin. By just clicking on the guest button, it will get you entered as a guest without giving the user ID or the password. And here is the logout button. So if at any time you want to just log out, you can log out. So re-enter as a guest for the okay, so this is the table that is showing you all the particulars. Those are stored in the databases and here are the quantities of it, so topic, categories, and the books, references, and etc. So to get the APIs, all the REST APIs are stored in here. So let's suppose if I go with the references, so these all are the references. Okay, so it is because developed by using Django Rest Framework, so it is showing in here. This is the name as the guest because I am currently logged in as the guest, so it is showing me hello guest, you are in here. To get, if you want to get it in the form of JSON, you can take it, and if you want to use the API, so here is the API, or click with this, so now you will get the full-fledged API link to use it. Let's close it. So if you go in the data section, if you go with the references, so see here is the last reference, and if we go, okay, so these are in all the way around, so we will find in here. Okay, the ID is 105, this is the subject, speaker is this, for this, and it is here. Okay, come back, see it is the same thing. It is the same thing. So this is the serial number, but if you go the JSON data that is available on the API, so you will get the ID and all the information that you want to use to build your own website based on these data. So here are other informations. So let's suppose these are the list of the books mentioned or stored in the databases. So let's suppose if I go with the languages and I want to see the number of books that I have and what are the languages of it. So in English I have the 6, and in Urdu language I have 35. So let's suppose if I want to see those 6 books, if I click on the English, so I will get the list of books. In here I can search the reference directly from here like this, or I can do the search from here, go back to the topic. I can make the searches on the base of topic. So that's it, and I like this feature. This is the cool feature. This helps a lot in the mobile when you have the small screen, so this features help a lot. So thank you so much everyone. Log out time. Have a good day.